Now then, well, I'm in the brand new 2018 Scania R450, and it's the one's got the high roof, not the other new ones that have come in to the yard. It's got a top bunk and bottom bunk. Absolutely beautiful. I think everyone who follows us knows Scania's my favourite. Just one of them. A little look about storage. Drawer there. Drawer there. I was wondering if that was like a slidey table or something. It's not. And we've got a fridge in here, which is great. Ideal is just power it on by that. I've got nothing with us because I thought I was on locals today, but I'm in Scotland. Storage, that's just my paperwork and my high-vis jacket. Look at the size of that. Massive, thick, beautiful, comfortable bed. The interior is very pretty indeed. I mean, it's just that brand new smell as well. Everything, oh god, seriously, I love these so much. Now I love the dash and that. I do worry about having so much electrics on there, because when it's raining we've got to have the window open when you're reversing, and all that's going to get wet, and that's going to cause problems, isn't it? Surely. But it is such a lovely motor. I'll show you the outside. I'll take you outside, why not? It's away down there, like, it's away down there. It'll be windy, so I'll not talk, I'll just show. Probably dark. So what I'll do, I'll show you a quick my seating position. Oh, it's lovely, honestly. Steering wheel. Look at that. Lights. Lights right up, lights right down, right up. Got your sort of like your driving lights for the night time that go red. So if I turn that off, you can see the red on my wallet there. You should be able to, yeah. You can turn that down. If your dash is bright, that's your dashboard. Turn that right down. I think that only works when you've got your engine running now, but that's how you do it anyway. Brightness up and down, so that can fade away to next to nothing. Lush, innit? Honestly, I love it. Okay, I'm going to just whack a 360 on now for you as well for a couple of minutes, just let you have a quick 360 scan. Put the lights back on. Reading light, it's brilliant. It's such a child. I don't care though. It's like sometimes you get disillusioned in this game, not sometimes, quite a lot, and then you get that cracking golf shot. And like me getting a new truck this morning was that cracking golf shot.